Hello everybody, just thought I'd do a quick video in regards to a upper door trim installation. So this one here came with the car. You can see a bit of damage there, and pulling it out I was trying to be careful, but I ended up breaking the tabs at either end. Tried looking for posts online to see how you take these things off and install them properly. I brought one and found that the chap who dismantled it from a used vehicle had also done the same thing. But I was fortunate enough to connect with another guy, Mark I believe, in Ireland. And he was able to supply this to me free of charge, so thanks Mark, that's awesome mate. Was slightly damaged at the top here, and I think they came in transit, so I'm just going to plastic weld that with a soldering iron. Yeah, anyway, I wasn't too sure whether or not I needed to do it. But just for those that probably going through the same thing I'm going through, I just wanted to note, here's the bolt there. And it probably pays to take all this off to get the upper door trim off if you don't want to damage those tabs, which I didn't do. And there's the other one down there. So you can see some padding and double-sided tape. I haven't got anything, so I'm just going to wing it. But basically, it comes in. This is one piece too, by the way. I thought it was two separate pieces. It's not. It's all held together with the bolts, but anyway, it just sticks down there. And ideally, it leaves these areas exposed. That just folds up like that. Where our tabs are going to go into. Now you'll see I ended up breaking this. There's a tab here, fits there. And this tab's supposed to fit in here. You can see where the screw's supposed to go. What I found is I've actually had this already on. I pulled it off, and it didn't seem to make any difference from what I can see. So I'm not going to bother about that, and I'm not going to worry about screwing this one in. So I'll just put this back in. It controls the rear vision mirrors and the side mirrors. Just change my side. So you just click that back in. So just test it. Cool, it's all working. And you can see that clump of wires over here. Just bring that back. I found this to be the trickiest way to do it. Obviously you do this without the backboard, but now this has to fit in here. And just remember to pull off that stick. Is it up here? Oh, hang on. Pull that knob off, unscrew it, so that it can just slide straight through. You can just go right through. Next one. Second one. Pop them on. Screw that back on. Yeah. All done. So I'm happy with that. You can see it didn't really make too much difference, still nice and firm. I do have the piece. If I wanted to, I could just do some plastic soldering and then attach it properly, and of course reattach this one. But look, for me, it's okay.